First, we'll open the trunk. On the corner, notice there are 2 screws, and I will be taking them out with an impact gun and 10mm socket. There's the first screw taken out. Similar way, we'll take out the second screw at the bottom. Once both the screws are taken out, now from here we'll pull out the tail light to make some room, and once that room is created from the top, we'll grab the tail light and then pull it out completely. There you would notice the tail light is taken out. This is how it looks like from behind, and in order to take out the tail light completely, we'll have to take out this white color bracket first. What we'll do is we'll use a straight head screwdriver like this, and we'll use the screwdriver to push the tabs of that bracket from right and left. There we pulled out the right side tab. Similar way we will push the left side tab. And there it is, the bracket is taken out just like that. Now we will take out this main plug right there, and notice this plug has a tab on the corner right there. So what we do is we press and hold that tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. If it's the first time the plug is coming out, then you may have to push a little hard to pull it outwards. There it is, that is how we take out the plug right there, and once the plug is taken out, this separates the complete tail light just like that. That is how we take out the tail light completely. In my case, the tail light is good, so I'll be installing it back. In your case, if you have a new tail light and you want to install it back, just make sure behind the tail light there are 2 pointers coming out. There's one pointer right here and the other pointer right there, and these 2 pointers are supposed to go into these 2 spots right there. So we'll go ahead and punch in this tail light back where we took it out from. First, what we'll do is we will take this plug and then punch it back where we took it out from. So make sure this tab side of the plug, which is right there, it is facing towards you. We'll punch in the plug and then grab it like this, then slide the plug downwards. There it is, the plug is completely in, also not coming out. Now what we will do is we'll punch in this white color bracket, and this white color bracket actually goes in that spot. Just slide it in all the way down until you hear a clicking sound. There it is, it's also completely in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this tail light. Just to highlight one more time, these 2 pointers are supposed to go into these 2 positions right there. We'll carefully punch in the tail light, keeping in mind those 2 positions. There it is, both of those positions are completely in. Now we will just give it a push from the front. With that push, the tail light seems completely in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in both the screws back. The tool we will use to punch in both the screws is actually a 10mm socket, an extension, and socket wrench. We will not use the gun because sometimes tightening with the gun can end up breaking the tabs of the tail light, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. First, we'll manually punch in both the screws one by one. Once both the screws are in place, then we will go ahead and tighten them with the tool. Also, while tightening the screws, make sure you are not over tightening them. The top one seems fine. Now we'll tighten the bottom one. Just making sure one more time the top one is tight. And the bottom one is also tight. With that, we are done with the replacement of taillight for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.